To copy a link to a Facebook video post or video commercial, click on the three dots and select the Copy Link option. But for an image post, the three-dot menu does not offer the link copying option. To copy link for an image or text post in Facebook feed, right-click on the timestamp of the post to copy the link. To save or share a clean URL, simply paste the link into a word processor and eliminate everything from the question mark onward. This portion serves only as a tracking ID and is unnecessary for your purposes. Keep just the actual link. To verify, paste the URL in a new browser tab and press Enter. It will direct you to the specific post. Discover dozro.com for free courses on graphic design, video editing, browser tips, computer tricks, and website creation. You'll also find an impressive range of products, most priced under $20. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the Dozro channel. Thank you for watching.